It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we have our last Beetles gel polish swatch video. I don't know if it's the last one, but it's the last one from the Amazon haul that I recently got. But when I log onto Amazon, I just don't know. It might not be the last one, y'all, but this set is called Macaroon, and the colors are delicious, just like macaroons, okay? So with these colors, they are bright, they are vibrant. I cannot wait to play with these. I do have some nail art coming up that I want to do, and I want to use these colors to help me do some different designs on the nails and all of that. That's why I got so many different colors, because I want to kind of use them as paints. So this is just going to be amazing. This color set is just so pretty. And I wanted to get some gel so that I can cure in between layers with traditional nail polish, which I know I love regular nail polish, but when you're trying to do like a lot of different designs and things with it, you have to wait till it dries, and then it can smudge and all of that. So that's why I decided to go ahead and jump in and get some gel polish. The cases that I have to put my gel polish in, I also got those from Amazon, and I forgot to show you guys those in the Amazon haul video. So I will show you those in another video. But I am continuing to swatch, and you can see how pretty these colors are. I am doing my traditional swatch method. I am doing 2 coats of the color and 1 coat of top coat, and everything is by the Beetles, the color and the top coat. And I have been laying them on these little foam pieces so that I can quickly polish them. I did a lot of these the same day, and as the day went on, just laying them on the styrofoam and doing them like this was a lot easier. I can just, rotate it, switch it out, put that one in the lamp, and then polish the next one. This method really came in handy when I was doing the MEFA polishes that had 20 colors. That felt like it took forever, but doing this method and kind of, swapping out the trays really made everything go by easier. I wish I would have had a lot of these colors around Easter time. A lot of these are very Easter friendly. They are bright, kind of pastel-y. So I definitely will probably be using them for that next year. And of course, to make this process go by faster, I already have my swatch sticks rolled out, I have my colors in order by the numbers, and that is how I have them stored in the case, so that I can flip through the ring to find the color that I want, go pull it from the organizer case, and then I know where to put it back when I'm done. And a step that I don't show in the video is me filing the edges of the swatch sticks. Some of them are a little rough on the edges or have like little straggly pieces. So I make sure that I get that taken care of, and then I put them on the swatch stick. So these are the finished swatch sticks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.